What's up family? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on the time you're watching this amazing video. Right here is Brand the Mason. I'm vlogging right here at Komosoko at Mama Esther's place. And right here guys, I went for some errands, but right now I'm back. I need to we are here to work, make the house very clean. Thank you so much for you have just been making me whom I am today. Guys, I'm celebrating my monetization, and right now I'm officially one of the YouTubers that will just be earning something. Thank you so much for your support, guys. Thank you for your for you have just been watching my videos keenly and give me the watch time. I say thank you big times. And again, to you, if not you guys, I could have just get 1,000 subscribers. I am just celebrating you, my family right there, you, my subscribers. For you have just been part of my journey. I say thank you so much, and may God bless you abundantly. So right here we are in the site, and you can see always Kibe. He has just been arranged. Guys, I'll just have to apologize because I had just to run for some errands. Then I'm just come back. So this is what's just taking place right in the site. Yes, this is what has just been taking place all along. Vlog with Ndonye.
Yes, I'm learning.
You're learning?
You did not teach me, you just taught me how to be
nowadays.
Vlog with Ndonye.
Yeah.
Now I'm trained to be an engineer.
So guys, I have a small meeting with these boys. Ndonye, come. We have a little. We have a meeting. Okay. Yeah. We have a meeting right here together.
Can I put it on record?
You can.
Okay.
Actually, you know, today I don't know if someone tell me I should just be firing you.
You know, yeah, I'm sharing with people.
Yeah, firing you.
They are joking a lot, or what?
They're joking a lot.
But I've talked to Kiz already. I've told him when you said you have a meeting with us,
yeah,
at least he can save me.
So you want to fire you when I have already put your helmet on my
You
head.
see, first thing you just wear my hard cap. That means you are
I'm professional.
Fired.
That is the first mistake.
So Kibe, you've already done your mistake.
It's good. What's
what
my
about
mistake?
you?
Why did you shave?
Yeah?
Why did you shave?
Because my boss shaved.
That is the reason for being fired.
And to Nick here, why did you wear the mask?
The mask.
So, and COVID-19 is right now.
Hey, Brian, you are very petty. You fire somebody for putting on a mask.
Very petty.
Okay. The reason why we are here is yesterday I just got a call from one of our subscribers, and she just saw what we did the other time as we just came to volunteer. And
it's a very interesting story.
She felt that we should have a soap to go and clean our clothes. So I want to congratulate her for he has just been caring about us. Actually, she's the one who just bought this cape, cape, and
Nicholas mask.
The reason why he's being fired now? No.
So it was a trap.
Yeah, it was a trap.
She buy for you the mask.
And then you fired.
So, okay, let me just not maybe add bit on the bush. Auntie Moshi just sent us something to congratulate her for what has just been happening right here in the site. And actually, Nicholas here, you are lucky enough, you'll just be getting like $40. Wow. $40.
Nick,
The new and Comcast.
And,
40 USD.
and me right here, I'll just be receiving $40 USD.
Oh my God.
And Vlog with Ndonye right here, will just be receiving $30 USD. And on the other side,
Blessings will kill you guys.
always Kibe too will be receiving $30 USD.
Thank you very much.
Wow.
Thank you.
Now we are receiving dollars.
Dollars.
Hey, yani you guys are working in Kiburanga. I mean in Komosoko, and you're being paid in US dollars.
Imagine.
The one thing is,
Who's God?
Our boss now will just receive what?
I don't know.
No, me, as long as I'm alive, I appreciate. Yeah. You know, if you get blessings, it doesn't mean that if I don't get, that now that is bad. Yeah. Or you may just got that one, and maybe you doesn't know what did Mike get. Yeah. So you never know.
It's just not quiet.
Yeah, you never know. Yeah.
So I think if I just calculate according to how it was just sent, Nicholas will just getting if I change 40 to Kenyan shillings, so he will just be receiving 5,000 Kenyan shillings.
Nick. Nick is so happy. 5,000 shillings.
You know, that's like coming for a whole week.
Nick is very happy.
Job.
Yeah, and do you know the reason for that?
Yes.
Auntie Moshe, she got touched because you guys volunteered on that day. And for real, we didn't have money. Or, Bran, what was the reason?
We had no money, and the
For real,
cement.
we did not have
The
money.
cement. Okay, we didn't maybe do this maybe intentionally or what.
There was
We
cement.
had no money.
were
But
negative.
Yeah.
and in fact, Mike went back to his pocket.
I had already used my
and
money.
and used like 10,000 plus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that
And
is why
and
Bran
again,
told me. Yeah.
when I just saw the cements were bought there, and I said, no, we can't just leave it there. And you see, there's some water vapors coming through from the down.
They can turn into solid.
Yeah.
And even the good thing it was, we were, me and Brian in the morning. But even this guy, when we told them we are volunteering, he said, let us show up.
They just came.
they
Actually, you guys were sleeping in the house.
We didn't know because he didn't even tell me when we were
What we knew, the bags which were there.
There were not many actually.
that's why you
That is why I told Brian, I only want one mason and one handman. I didn't want a lot of people to volunteer. And again, the reason why I accepted you guys to volunteer, there is some times back where we had to have some instances where people are volunteering, but it was having some negative outcomes because people were saying that we are using people in a bad way. Yeah, so that is why I really ask you guys twice. Are you sure you guys are volunteering willingly? Yeah. And I'm glad that you guys, you accepted to volunteer. And by God's grace, God just came through. And right now, you are getting maybe 3 times or 6 times. Like you are getting 6 times what you are supposed to be paid.
So
$30 is like
$5.
yeah. No, $30 is like
3,700.
somewhere.
that is 7 times.
7
You see how God is paying. Even Nick, you volunteered, you are getting 5 times.
That's do you know that's
week's
coming in
salary.
a 1 week full.
But that one doesn't mean that you'll be coming here to volunteer every day.
So again,
Yeah.
so for the first time, Nick will just be receiving some. Oh, this is the second day.
Yeah. Yesterday you received 1,000.
Blessing.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Now that is the reason why I always say that our subscribers are the realest supporters. They are supporting people whom they don't know. They just see you on camera. Once they know that you are a good person, they support you. And I'm sorry for this, but somebody like my neighbor back there, he used to pretend that he's a good person. But my subscribers, they are having some spiritual, I don't know spiritual what, they know how to identify. So for him, he did not get anything, but the brother was getting. Yeah. So if you volunteer in a good heart, you see the fruits.
The fruits are there.
Yeah.
I
See the
think
fruits.
it is seen.
So it's
Mr.
about
Mike,
time you guys
about
receive
time.
your blessings.
Actually,
And before he
Auntie
gives us-
Moshe,
When he got this bag, he was with me and he told me Ndonye.
He was with us.
Yeah, with us. Yeah. And he was like, Ndonye nowadays, soon I have a feeling I'll be like Ndonye, give you a hug.
The money bag.
It's the power of the tongue.
Yeah.
See?
But this
How do you
is
feel?
through- this is through God,
Yeah,
actually.
Yeah.
And God will just be sending someone to bless
Others.
someone from
Yeah,
like
true.
Kizo right here was, you remember, he's my father. Yeah.
No, he said, you and Daniel, he has put you aside.
No.
He adopted me.
I did not. No, I said Daniel. I
not
leave
this
Daniel. Yeah, Brian is still young on the game. I can't just leave Brian on the way like
But
that.
I'm happy.
I want to ensure that even if I'm leaving Brian, but at least I'm leaving him when he knows something. And at least when his son is now growing, you know, Nick is Brian's son. I want to leave Brian when
So
his
you have a
son.
grandson.
Yeah, I have a
So
grandson.
maybe
But I have 2 sons right now.
Yeah, you have 2 sons.
Yeah, the one is still breastfeeding.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's not ready to come.
Yeah.
But I'm glad I'm your son right now.
Yeah.
I'll be okay.
Kibe, should I adopt
We
you?
are all the...
I am your brother. Hey, keep
Oh
it.
my.
But I can adopt you.
Yes, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So,
So we are receiving something from Auntie Moshe.
Auntie Moshe.
Yeah, we say thank you so much for what you just been doing for us. Just appreciate. May God bless you all big times.
Yeah.
May you not lack all the times.
Yeah.
Because God will just be with you all the times.
Yeah.
So as you are blessing my brother right here, actually let me just see. It should just be acting transparency.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put
So-
some saliva on your hand first. Yeah.
Okay, Nicholas.
That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So Nicholas, that's your blessing.
Yeah, and your salary for the day is not yet.
Imagine.
Hey,
So-
blessings will kill you.
And again,
Money.
money. Let me check that. Okay.
Yeah.
So again, if I get back to what do you say? Okay, a minute.
$30, I think it is at 3,700.
3,750.
Yeah.
So right here, I'm with Ndonye. Ndonye, I want you to receive your blessings.
My blessings.
Besa.
Besa.
Ndonye is receiving some besa.
Mbesa, yeah, you call it Mbesa.
Yeah.
Mbesa is
Yeah.
money.
So
Yeah. Thank
from
you,
from Auntie
brother.
Moshe,
Hey.
from Auntie Moshe,
Thank you, Auntie Moshe.
from
Thank you, Auntie Moshe.
so right here, you have my balance.
Yeah, you have
I
some
have your
balance.
balance.
Yeah.
Okay. By the end of the day, we'll calculate. So I'm having 4,000.
Yeah.
So right there, Ndonye, that is the hard work that you've just been working for.
Yes.
And believe me that when you work hard and you don't complain,
Yeah.
these are the fruits that you'll just be getting.
Coming,
Yeah,
coming.
yeah, yeah.
True.
And you're still young, my brother, in the ground, so don't complain always.
Yeah.
If in case you're working and you've seen things are not going good, just adjust. Work the way you should just be working. And
Ndonye, you are so happy.
Yeah,
I think today you will eat meat.
I don't know why, but during end month, remember the other day it was end month when you gifted me the money?
Yeah.
Now, I don't know why the gifts come always on end month.
Even me.
I think the reason,
Eh?
you know, most of our subscribers, most of them, not all, but most of them, they are people who maybe they get their salary maybe at the end of the month,
Oh.
and most of them, some of them can decide to say that let me kujinyime inaitwaje?
Deny myself.
Yeah, let me deny myself maybe some of the luxuries so that I can support so and so.
Yeah, thank you so
Actually, it is not that they don't have reasons to use money to do. They also have people who need to be helped where they are. They also have their own needs.
They are sacrificing.
Yeah, but they are sacrificing
Thank you so
to support
much.
us,
Yeah,
actually.
we don't take it
Yeah.
for granted though.
Yeah, that is something good.
so Mike, let me bless
Kibe.
Kibe always.
Yes.
Always right now. Always Kibe for the hard work he's always been. So now you see my hand. You see my gloves. We just came all along.
Kibe is washing his hands.
You know those gloves came all along from USA.
Yes, I know.
And you just dumped them because
my
my
pocket.
Oh, he
goodness.
kept them.
Okay.
Alright.
Actually, for the hard work that you've just been doing all along, one of our subscribers just say I should just be giving you for the thank you so much for you've just been helping Mama Esther to grow to do what to
change her home.
change her home.
Oh, yes.
So right now I wanna bless you with $30.
Yes.
How do you feel?
In fact, I feel so happy because the 1,000 that Mike gave me yesterday, I joined it and I pay yesterday's rent. You know, it's almost end month.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
The storage.
You don't have storage.
You don't have storage.
Just a minute, please.
Okay, then.
I think you can buy memory card, Kibe,
Yes, I will.
to help you in recording, because sometimes you want to capture some beautiful moments.
Yeah, like this.
Yeah.
It's
pass away.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just
Yeah.
a minute, please.
Right. I
Let's
think we
just-
guys should keep Kibe in prayers
Yeah.
so that at least he do some serious saving and
Buy.
maybe you can buy a new memory card
Yeah.
to help you in your career.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because this is now where.
Yeah, this is now your work.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yes.
If you are praying to God to give you a beautiful work,
Mm.
then this one is the work. Yeah, that you're
So
doing.
right here, Kibe, this is from Auntie Moshe. You see, $1.
$1. This is $10.
Oh, $10.
Mm.
$10.
Yes.
$3.
$2.
Okay,
$3.
around $3. Yeah,
No, that is not dollar, but say just say 3,000. Yeah,
Excitement.
yeah. That is almost $25.
So right here, Kibe, you too, you just be giving me my balance too.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Hey, now you are rich.
Yeah.
You are rich guy.
But don't leave the work. just work until evening, please.
But let me tell them.
I'm pleading with you guys.
Let me tell them.
Yeah.
You know,
Mhm.
these ones
Yeah.
comes because you are working hard.
Yeah.
You know, even right there in YouTube, when you stop working, there is no one who will just be paying you right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you won't be paid because they'll just be paying you according to how you work hard.
Yeah.
Yes.
According to what you do.
Yeah, and even Mike here
Mhm.
will just pay you
Yeah. If you work.
according to how you work for him.
Yeah.
And if you just be finding that you are lazy, then he won't pay you.
Yeah, for it.
Yeah.
That's out here.
Yeah.
Yeah, and what I can tell you guys, please always work hard.
Yeah.
Keep working hard.
Yeah.
And don't have that bad heart that these guys are like ahead of me,
Yes.
or I'm ahead of this person. No, that one won't work. We are
Yeah.
equal all.
Yeah.
Yes, in this world we are equal all.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
why
true.
when you just see Auntie Moshe, when he just came out to do something, you just see us equal and
Yeah.
give us something.
Yeah. True.
Yeah. And again, let me just not forget about myself.
You pay yourself.
You want to give to yourself.
Myself.
Yeah.
So even me too here.
You got some $40.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just got some $40. So I think when I'll just be collecting the change,
balances.
then I'll just be having mine too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Even me, I just got
$40 US.
$40 USD dollars. That is 5,000 Kenyan shillings. Yeah, I just appreciate you,
Yeah.
Auntie Moshe, for the support that you've just been giving us, and to this house to reach this level. I know she has just been pushing out.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Actually.
so
Yeah.
I say thank you so much for your kind of heart that you have. May God bless you. May you not lack all along in your life.
Yeah.
May everything that you want to do, may God just answer them.
Yeah.
Yes.
Actually, Auntie Moshe,
Yeah.
I knew her since last year,
Yeah.
and she has been one of my big supporters actually.
Yeah.
Since last year,
Yeah.
she has been standing with us,
Yeah.
and I just want to appreciate you for
Yes.
the kind of heart that you are having.
Yeah.
Keep it up. May God bless you abundantly, and also thank you for blessing my team here. Everybody is very happy. Yeah. So that one, at least it can give you more energy of keeping up with the good work that you guys are doing, and also it should let you know that not everything we do for money. Sometimes if we do not have that money, but we are in a position to help, we can just say that, okay, my brother, let's just do this. Let's just come through and help where we can. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Me, I think that will be the end.
Yes.
But also before I end, because I'm closing my video, I would just want to congratulate Bran once more. Congratulations for being in a position to monetize.
Thank you so much.
Right now, you have to know that every video that you put out there will be giving you some penny. We'll be giving you some peanuts. You won't be eating dry bread anymore.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
But the subscribers,
Yeah.
I want to thank you so much.
Yes.
Yeah, you've just make my journey
Yeah.
smooth, because this is my 4th month, and you've just shown me that I can.
Yeah.
So okay, what can I do for them? Actually, what I can say, I want to give you congratulations, and I want to celebrate you for this mighty thing that you've just been doing for me.
Yeah.
And may God bless you all the time. May God be with you all the times. As you will just be doing to my brothers right here,
Yeah.
may you just do the same the way you just did for me, guys.
Yeah.
Because always Kibe right here is almost monetizing. My brother right here is almost monetizing. But
Nick is on the
Nick,
way.
my son,
I'm on the way, yeah.
He's on the way to 1,000 subscribers.
yeah.
Subscribers.
And watch time, please, guys. Check out Nick the Builder. Show him some love. Subscribe to his YouTube channel. Watch his video till the end, and we'll just be appreciating so much. Yes.
And Nick, what I can tell you, your father here, he opened a YouTube channel when you were seeing, right?
Yeah.
Ask him what he did. So that he can monetize within 4 months.
Yeah, we did 4 months.
Yeah, ask him what did you do, Daddy? How did you do it? Because even me, I need to know.
Yeah.
Because even me, it took me 4 years to monetize.
Monetize.
4 months.
And this,
So I also need to know what he did.
what did
But I know what
actually-
he did a good work, hardworking, and it is hardworking that pays.
That's true.
Yeah.
And through my Kizo, this journey has just gone successful.
Yeah, actually, me, I always say that it is God and our subscribers.
Yeah.
I don't want to take any credit. All I did was just to tell you that, Brian, there is this app here that you can showcase your talent. Actually, when I was telling him, you can showcase your talent and get more work. Can you remember what I was telling you?
Yes.
People can watch you and give you work.
Yeah,
I didn't want him to know about money.
And even and I can remember when Matilde was interviewing me about the channel. He asked me, "What is your mission with this YouTube channel?"
Yeah.
I told her that I want to get more jobs.
Showcase your
And
work.
and I want to educate people on how I'm doing this job.
Yeah.
And to those who could just be having the interest, they could just be going to other people, or if all right, guys. Sorry for what was just happening, but I'll just say thank you so much, and may God bless you all around for what you've just been doing for us. And give battle thumbnail. Yeah, let me just go this way that you can see whatever is happening right here. Let me show you what has just been happening here. Oh my goodness. Mr. Mike, I haven't seen this one. So I was very late. Oh my goodness. Yes, the mirrors right here. Oh my goodness. What's up, family? Welcome once again. Right here we have Gilberto. Gilberto, can you see yourself right there?
Yeah, I can see myself, my face. Okay, how are you guys? It's Gilberto Architecture and Construction, together with my brother Brian the Mason.
Yeah.
Thank you for tuning to here in his channel, because we need your subscription, your sharing, and watch the videos. Remember, Gilberto is a content creator. We are vibing here. As a Gilberto Architecture Construction, you see more construction tips. And in vlogging, it's Gilberto. IJING are capitals. Check for those videos. Are amazing, by the way.
Yeah, and right here is my brother.
oh, so you have this one. Hey guys. You do like this while you are driving like this. How are you?
I'm good. So right here,
I think.
can you give yourself a shout out?
Can I adjust it a little bit so that I think there, right, Gilberto?
Oh, right. Yeah, it's good.
Like there. Come.
Yeah,
Right?
like this.
The other way. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's it.
Good
Right
job.
there. So guys, this is vlog with Ndonye.
Vlog with Ndonye.
Yeah.
Vlog with Ndonye.
Already working. Don't mind my face. That's why you see cement everywhere.
He
Can
has
you
a
see
lot
your
of-
face?
He has a lot
Yeah.
of money.
Can you
And
see your
that
face?
man
Yeah.
is a boss.
If you stand there, can you see your face?
Stand.
Right in the...
Yeah, I can see it right here.
No, if you just stand like that, can you see your face?
Right?
I can see
You
myself.
see.
Okay then.
Yeah, I can see myself.
Yeah.
Vlog with Ndonye, right here at Mama Esther. We are facelifting the house to give it a better look and a modern one.
Okay.
So time is not on our side. Let's work.
Yeah,
How are
and
you?
right here, this is what has just been happening right here, guys. So this wall,
Wake up.
we are going to do what we called furuga, guys. I don't... Gilberto, what is furuga in English?
Fruga in English is rough.
Or rafraf.
Rough.
Okay.
Fruga.
Oh, okay. Gilberto, are you sure?
I'm sure. Or
Tupa huku.
you have another name. Typical
Tupa
name.
I don't know. Hapana. Huko tunaanzia hapa, tunataka kutoa chuma huku.
So fruga ndio inatakiwa. So I wake up.
Sasa we chukua tu hizo uchape huko nini, alafu tutaanza kuchapa furuga huko kuja.
Sasa nipelekee hii kule. So guys, continue supporting Brian the Mason.
Yeah.
Imezimika. Ama hiyo.
Niko sawa.
Oh. Okay. So Gilberto is here. You can see the number plate.
Gilberto is right there.
All right.
Yeah, let me just start my job straight away. So this is what happens right here. Yep. Yes. Mm-hmm.
You are lefty like my son, eh?
Yeah. I think I need something constant. I can't do this way.
Oh.
Yeah. This one will just help me when
When you are riding.
yeah, or when I'm walking. Welcome once again to this amazing vlog. Right here is Mama Esther, and you can see the way. Yes, shikamo. So you can see, guys, this is the window. It's very nice the way it is, guys. I really like the way they just put it, guys. Yeah. Watu wanaweza tutaka kufanya ile wall nyingine pia. Senye vuruta hiyo. Na senye piga nini? Kwa sababu ile ni kidogo, hiyo wall kidogo tupeleke. Tunaongeza na alafu tunaenda.
Nyepesi.
Tutachapa tu mzito.
Ambao ni iko tepe.
Ile already tulianza kupiga jana.
Si lazima nitengeneze hiyo side nyingine.
Huku.
Singojea kwanza nimalize ifuga.
Ukivuruta hivi ndio nafanya hivi. So tunahitaji kupima sasa.
Ndio shiki kamera nene itajembe kwanza nitengeneze hapo.
Funga tu kamera. Dakika ngapi?
2.
Dakika 2. Iko 3.
Acha nimshikie mkono 3.
Hizo sipiga hapo. Piga hizi furuga.
Huku.
Hizo ni furuga ndio unapiga.
Nilikuwa nataka nijazie kwenye kona.
Kona? Pia nataka maji kabisa. But iko tu nikona peke yake. So we find the diagonal of this place.
Finding the diagonal.
Yeah. When doing this, you must find the diagonal of it.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right.
Make the corner look perfect.
Yes. Ungekata ingine sasa hivi. Ungekata hivi.
Si lazima niende akwenda kwenye kaenda. Check out this place. So right here inside here, it has a big hole on it. So I'll have to fix it, guys. must fill it, guys, to make it something else.
Brian, the Mason slogan.
Yeah.
Dakika dakika ngapi?
Ni ngapi hapo?
Inaelekea 5.
Wacha chapo 6. Tumechana time 6.
Sawa.
Slowly by slowly. Let's cut it that way. Kata. Welcome once again, guys. This is what has just been done by me and Gilberto. Yeah, you can see the straightness of the wall going the other side. If you just compare to the first place, where how it was in the first place, there's a lot of changes. And right here again, we want to do this side too. So on the other side we have Gilberto.
Yes, Gilberto is here.
Gilberto, I see you. You are working very hard.
Yeah. We are trying our best so that we can make it.
Yeah. And on the other side, I see always Kibe.
Yes.
Kibe, how do you do, sir?
I'm good.
Yeah.
We are trying here
Okay then.
to see how the day will end. Yes.
But it'll just be ending in a good manner.
Yeah.
Yeah. I see Gilberto is working hard. But I like Gilberto because he could just be like showing, hard work always.
I like exercise.
Yeah, but by the look of the thing, they were just saw him in the video, right in the David Junior's videos. He was really doing amazing work and he could just be pushing very hard.
All right.
So right now, guys, again, we just collaborate with him. You can see the work, the way it's just running away. And this house, guys, today, I promised you that it will be done all round by today. And again, you can see out the plastering, it's done. You can see this place is done. This side too is done. So the remaining part is why we are just measuring out the cement. So this is what is being done here. Yeah, so in the next few minutes here will be done. So we are just wishing to get it in a fast manner. Gilberto,
Yes,
it's very nice.
very nice.
Yeah.
So let us our job, talk to our client.
Yes. Actually, guys, the changes is being seen in this compound. Big changes at Mama Esther's place. Mama Esther, how do you feel when you see your house is changing?
I'm feeling good.
You are feeling good.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. And may God bless you always having such a kind heart.
I mean,
Yeah. Mama Esther has just prepared for us something. We've just eaten it. And right now we just resume to the job. And you can see right now, this is the new look of the house. This is the new look. You can see how this is the pattern that was just made to match out with the other sides, you know. Mkimaliza mpanguze nini vio sawa na ndani.
Fundi amesema tusishike sahi.
Hizo ni zitolewa.
Kitatoka, amesema hivyo akitoka hapa.
Si hiyo. Hizo manini hizo simiti ziko kwa dirisha zitolewe.
O labda hizi, lakini amesema tusinini.
Si kushika kio, sijasema pelts. Nimesema view nini hizo nini dirisha. All right guys, this is what has just been taking place right here. You can see the windows, the pelts has just been put, and it's a one-way. Very nice, guys. I can see myself right there. You see, and this is the security bulb that was just placed right there. This house is really transforming, and from zero, you see, this is what has just been taking place. The inside plaster has just been done in a good way. Let me just check the way I can just do this. Yeah, this is exactly what I was just trying to mention out. You see? Oh my goodness. And on the other side, it's darkness, but I just have to show you. This room is almost over. Mr. Nicholas?
Yeah.
It's almost over.
Yeah, it's not yet over.
Yeah, give yourself a shout out.
By Nicholas. Let me scratch my head first.
Nicholas is
Okay.
thinking his name.
No,
Serious?
no, I'm not thinking my name.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm by Nicholas.
Builder.
Nick Builder.
Yeah.
Yeah, my new YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Yeah. And Nick.
Actually, guys, check him out. He's Nicholas Builder. This time he's really struggling to have the subscribers. Please show him some love by subscribing, by watching his videos.
We have to give him some time. You know, it's just 2 days old.
Yeah. And
Give
this
him
is what
some time.
Nick the Builder is doing right here.
Yeah.
This is exactly what Nick the Builder is doing here. Nick just received his blessings from Auntie Moshe, right?
Yeah.
Today.
Today. All right. Okay then.
Am I visible?
You are visible. So I told you guys, like I just said earlier, the all of this work will be done. What will just be remaining is the floor, which will just be done tomorrow. In tomorrow, things will just be going the way we want. Let me just get back to the other side. Always Kibe is mixing right there. I see you, Gilberto.
Yes.
Si ulete Gilberto maji kwanza.
Unasema yeye anamwaga hapo.
Nilikuwa nauliza nani Rayo.
Gani ndio naficha pia? Gani unafuosha nayo?
Tulete hapa. Sasa imeisha nguvu pia. Ili tutumie fresh. Hii na hiki kichanganywa na kakitu kwa reinforce.
Tupeleke huko.
Sawa.
Sawa.
Kwa sababu tunaenda kutumia hii. Hata enda nayo.
Sawa.